Hey, listen up and pay close attention to this short video as you're about to discover a never-seen-before technology that helps bid final goodbye to expensive and complicated stock membership platforms once and for all. Now let's face it, whenever someone clicks past your image or video, you just lose a click. You lose a potential customer forever. And it creates serious damages to your brand reputation as well that takes ages to come back to its original shape. So it's safe to say that using eye-catchy, plagiarism-free visual assets like images gives vectors, icons, gets 10x more audience hooked to your offers than normal images. Don't believe us? Check out these mind-blowing numbers. More than 96% in visitors leave the website if there are no images and graphics on it. When combined with an engaging visuals, viewers remember up to 65% more information. Posts with images get 650% more engagement than text-only posts. Tweets featuring graphics are 4x more likely to get more retweets. The human brain processes images 60,000x faster than texts. 78% of marketers globally will increase their visual marketing budget in Q1 of 2025. Content that includes compelling images gets 94% more views than boring counterparts. And 60% of people are more willing to consider making a purchase if the item has an image. I know all these numbers got you amazed, but if you're willing to go beyond the ordinary and catch your customers' attention and getting them hooked forever, then you must use 100% fresh attention-grabbing multimedia assets that grab your customers' eyeballs and get them connected forever. But the only problem is, creating enticing visual assets needs tons of time and energy on your part. Purchasing multimedia assets from open market platforms costs a fortune, and using third-party tools comes with hefty monthly subscriptions. Hiring freelancers costs you anywhere between $125 to $685 bare minimum for a single visual asset. And even after paying a colossal amount, there's no guarantee that you'll get 100% fresh, plagiarism-free visual asset that your audience loves. Now, figure this out. What if, in just a few minutes from now, you log into your computer and instead of working with complex editors, you get 10x audience hooked from tip to toe in 3 easy clicks? Yes, that's true. We have decided to fix this problem forever and make it easier for all success-hungry marketers out there. After brainstorming constantly and spending thousands of dollars and months into research and development, we are here with a revolutionary all-in-one technology, proudly presenting StocksBreeze AI, the world's most amazing cloud-based AI image platform that comes loaded with 50 million plus AI-powered, royalty-free multimedia assets for every business that capture maximum eyeballs for a low one-time fee. StocksBreeze AI is your endless supply of premium stock resources, potentially saving thousands of dollars, countless sleepless nights of work and research. This incredible next-generation AI technology helps even newbies easily create and sell countless raw as scroll-stopping graphics for top dollar without, through your Photoshop skills, purchasing stock platform memberships, and any manual work. StockBreeze AI works in 3 easy steps. You insert a keyword, customize, and then download. Here's everything you get inside StockBreeze AI. All the visual assets. With StockBreeze AI, you never need to hire freelancers who don't bother for your business growth, purchase complex AI tools that are not suited for your business, pay huge monthly subscriptions for complicated apps, use plagiarized images, logos, visuals, etc. that are used by thousands, use complex image editors that make your life hell, and waste days, weeks, or even months creating boring visual assets that nobody likes. Also, if you grab your copy during this special launch deal, you get premium bonuses that are priceless and for free. Now I'm sure you're definitely thinking, how much this is going to cost? We can easily charge you $297 per month for access because there is a huge cost involved behind this masterpiece. But the good news is, you can get all this now for a low one-time price that's never seen before. And yes, there is no recurring monthly fee or any hidden charges involved. But please, don't close this page and come back later because the price is going up fast. You're also covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is literally no risk involved. So what are you waiting for? Be a part of this new era of visual marketing and stop thinking. Click the button below now to lock in your discount and claim your bonuses before the price goes up. Good luck, and we'll see you on the inside.